Fishbone diagrams, also known as Ishikawa diagrams or cause and effect diagrams, are graphical tools used to identify and visualize the potential causes of a problem or effect. Developed by Japanese quality control expert Kaoru Ishikawa in the 1960s, these diagrams are particularly useful for understanding the root causes of complex issues and facilitating problem-solving discussions within teams or organizations. The diagram resembles the skeleton of a fish, with the head representing the problem or effect being analyzed and the bones branching out to represent different categories or factors that may contribute to the problem. Procedures, processes, or methods used to accomplish tasks. Equipment, tools, or machinery involved in the process. Raw materials, resources, or supplies used in production. Human resources, skills, or training of personnel. Metrics, data, or measurements used to assess performance. Physical, organizational, or external factors influencing the process. Let's analyze the problem of declining student performance in a high school. Outdated teaching methods or curriculum. Lack of access to educational technology or resources. Outdated textbooks or inadequate learning materials. Teacher shortages or ineffective teaching strategies. Inaccurate assessment methods or grading practices. Disruptive classroom environments or lack of support services.